What is good, YouTube? It is your boy Sneakerhead on a budget, one of the hardest working sneakerheads on YouTube. Go give me a like, share, subscribe. Definitely helps the channel out because YouTube be holding us down out here, budget fam. Damn! Alright, so boom. So appreciate all the love and support, guys. As you know before, I've been talking about it recently. We just hit 1,000 subscribers. Next goal is 2K. So hopefully you guys like this content. And if you do, go and subscribe. If you love it, go and leave that notification. And let's get into it. So Nike SB released a collab with HUF. A lot of you guys have seen it before, so they did this cool little collab where they had a mystery bag. So in that mystery bag, you either get a New York pair, an SF pair, San Francisco, or a mystery pair, which is a friends and family. I hit on the dunk, as you see right here, and we're going to go ahead and see what pair that I got. So I'm going to wait for you guys to see if we're going in. So again, if you want to follow your boy and see what outfit I wear, depending on which one I get, your boy is Sneakerhead on a budget on Instagram, The Real Mike P's on Twitter, and definitely show some love there. Definitely love having conversation with all you guys. It's definitely been cool, especially on Twitter. Twitter's been lighting up, so it's definitely been fun. So let's get into this, guys, because the holiday season is coming up. Secondly, happy Thanksgiving to all y'all out there. You know, happy Thanksgiving. Hope you guys eat a lot for everybody. You know, I'm on a diet, so I can't eat as much as I used to, but hopefully you can enjoy it for me. So let's get into this, man. So let's talk about this shoe. So first off, the box is crazy. Now the SB box typically has some cool colors. This is definitely one of the boxes where you see it. So I definitely dig this. And again, I collect boxes as you can't really see, but they're above me. And so this is definitely a box I'll add. I happen to have to get it in a size a little lower, and a size 11, but that's fine. As you see right here, we got some swoosh action right there in the bottom right there. And we got the tag right there. So that's what we're working with right now. This is a Nike box with the SB up top. So as we open the box, nothing in here, but we have this right here. So my wife picked up this for me. When she picked it up, the guy at UPS said that the box was open, and don't worry, they didn't do anything to it. They made sure the item was still in there. They didn't take it, which is still worrisome, especially with a lot of things going on with UPS and FedEx. But it is what it is at this point. But I did get them in, and it looks like they're safe. So hopefully we don't open this thing up, and it's definitely a pair of Skechers. Damn! That'd be miserable. So let's go ahead and open this up here. So you see, there is no paper in here in the box because of this right here. This came directly from Nike, so if y'all have anything different, then I don't know what to tell you, but this came directly from Nike. As you see the bottom right here, the logos and all the good stuff. And here we go. So this is what they're talking about. So there's possibly 3 pairs of shoes that it could be in here. You have the New York pair, which is right there. Hopefully you guys can see that. You have the San Francisco pair. And then you have the mystery friends and family pair, which, if you know me, I'm from the Bay Area, so I'll be definitely wanting the San Francisco pair. So I'm hoping the San Francisco pair is in here, or the friends and family pair. I refrained from looking at images of what the friends and family pair could be, because I wanted to at least be surprised when it comes in. But I'm really hoping this is the San Francisco pair. So let's go ahead and crack this open and see what we got. Well, at least I know they didn't steal anything, because everything is still shut. Alright, so I have my eyes closed. I don't want to spoil it. Well, here's the paper. So there is paper somewhere. Let's see what pair I got. Eyes are so close, so you guys get to see it first. These feel tiny, yo. These feel mad tiny. And the tongue is so thin to be an SB. Alright, so ready? Let's see what we got in 3, 2, 1. Hey! This is the one I wanted. So shout out to that. We got the Nike SB San Francisco. These look so tiny in my hands. Am I sure this is the correct size? It does say a size 11. These look mad tiny compared to, let's see what else I got here. Here is a, what size are these? So these are 11 and a half. And you see, it might not be too much of a difference there, but they just look so much tinier than this. I don't know. Maybe I'm tripping. Am I tripping, y'all? These definitely look tinier. I might be bugging, but this is definitely the shoe I wanted. Especially if I didn't get the friends and family. We can talk about the paper a little bit. You know, I'm here. It's regular Nike SB paper. It is what it is. But this is really dope. This is the shoe I wanted, and I can't wait to cut this thing out. So let's go ahead and talk about it. So on the tongue, we have the Nike SB San Francisco. As you hear, this is a good consolation because you know the MLB dunks that came out. You had like the Phillies dunk, the LA Dodgers dunk. They had the SF San Francisco dunk. I didn't get those, so this is definitely a better consolation. In the back, we have Keith in the back right there, and then this one, it says forever. So you see that in the back right there. You also have the city in the background, as you see right there. Here's a little extra detail that I noticed, guys. The city in the back is 3M. That is super clean. So this is the details in that. The city in the back right there is 3M. I don't think there's any other 3M accents is on here. Oh, well, that swoosh was 3M. That'd be crazy. Yeah, I don't think there's any other 3M on there. But yeah, the city in the back is 3M. So shout out to that. The leather here is nice. It could be better. I'm not gonna hold you. It could be better, but the leather here is nice. The leather on the side panels, which I believe you can cut, you get the tie-dye in there, is really cool. And then we have this HUF Nike thing in the front, which is actually kind of cool as well. Focus on that, yeah. And then there's like a little Nike piece here. I'm wondering if this tears off too. Again, I didn't fully look at everything, so I don't want to ruin it for myself. If only this part rips off, I'll be happy with that. Because I kind of dig that little HUF thing, and I would hate to take this off and then this would be gone. But as you see, this is in the Giants, how the Giants have their logo. So this is actually really dope. I am really happy for these. The inside, you see the HUF, and there's like a green insole. I wonder how good this insole is. Standard Nike insole, air unit right there. Hard to put back in though. Any additional laces? I don't think so. Paper shoe trees is what's in here. It's just weird seeing these being an SB and then it being so thin. Here's the double laces. So the extra laces we have are some black laces, which would look dope in these as well. Or I feel as if that if I do connect this together, I would probably put the orange laces in them. So this is the Nike SB San Francisco, the HUF version. As you see, the midsole right here looks aged. So it kind of looks like an aged Panda Dunk. I know. There's a Panda. Let me actually get you a Panda Dunk. So you can see the similarities in the shoe. You see, it's kind of similar, kind of like the same build. The swoosh is gray on here. As you see, the backs are a little different. But yeah, these do look very, very similar build as a Panda Dunk. So I can definitely see myself wearing this like this, and people confusing these for Panda Dunks. It just is what it is. Tongue pretty much kind of looks the same, only if I'm probably just gonna keep the sail laces in here. Now I don't think these are fully white. They don't look fully white. The tongue right here looks sail as well. So these look sail. It kind of goes with the midsole right here. So these are actually really fresh. Actually, did you guys cop this? And how do you guys feel about the HUF collab? I think these are dope. This is the actual pair that I wanted. I know the New York pair might be going for a little bit more on StockX and GOAT and all that stuff, but I'm from the Bay Area, so this is the one I actually wanted. So really excited to put these on and put these in an outfit. Again, if you want to see me rock these, I want to see what they fully look at when I finally remove these panels. You can find me again on social media, Sneakerhead on the Budget on Instagram, or the Real Mike PZ on Twitter. I appreciate y'all for rocking with me. I'm super excited to have these in my collection. I definitely can't wait to throw these up. I'll check that next time. Peace.
Hope you love all of my shit. I hope you love all of my shit.